Guys, I have to bought myself this one because today Shenzhen is super smoggy. And for those of you who might argue on that, just have to go onto the weather forecast and it says like air quality is hazardous for those sensitive. So guys, now I'm going to a vegetarian restaurant here in SeaWorld, which I haven't tried ever before, and I'm gonna try it and tell you how is it like. So we arrived and it's YOU Sushi Bar, vegetarian restaurant. So let's check if it's open because it seems like there's nobody in here. Oh. So these are some of the dishes that you can get in here. Soups. And so many different ones. Oh, by the way, so many salads. And so this is a great option perhaps for those of you who are visiting Shenzhen, and I love kale and would like to have some option nearby SeaWorld just in case you are by this area. Green dumplings, etc. You know, they don't use animal oil or whatsoever. I don't know if there's anyone in here. Now it's not dinner time yet, so if anyone can. 你好，我们现在可以做吗？三位。This is how it looks like from the inside. Oh wow, look at that. So, and they will give us a table somewhere here. Look at this one. It really looks like, what is it called? Squid. Squid? But it's not. Oh my gosh, this is super interesting. I liked this soup before. I think these are some seasonal dishes. Look at this. Everything looks like kind of healthy, you know. Avocado. New York salad. Avocado salad. It's kind of expensive because avocado is expensive. But you know. Guys, you wouldn't believe it. There is this kind of dish which is like assorted super wild and delicacy elegant mushrooms, and it's 1,688 renminbi. So that is about how much? $259 US. For next time a fan would like to invite me, I will indulge myself in this kind of delicacies. Just in case you wanna have a lunch with me. Guys, I want to show you more a little about the soups. This is first live soup and it's 168 renminbi, which is like kind of mixed with some traditional, you know, herbs and mushrooms, veggies. And this one is very peculiar because it says men's soup, and here is it special for men. And of course we have a lady soup as well. So I'd like to try this one next time when I'm with a fan and he will try the men's one. That will be fun. And there is a longevity soup as well. Oh my, that looks very nice. I would like the longevity soup too. Guys, look at this teapot. It's super cute. It's kind of small and squared and lovely. And we've ordered some jasmine tea because there is some tea tariff here which you have to pay. So let's try this one. Cheers to good life back in China. Feels good to be talking to you once again. So basically these are some of the tea options which you have, and we've ordered this jasmine tea and it's gonna cost us 15 per each. And the minimum that you can pay is 8 kwai. So it's gonna be like double because we wanted to try it. Usually I wouldn't mind and I'll just let them give me the cheapest one, but you know, it depends on your taste. Good life and drinking jasmine here. So this is the dish that sister ordered, and how is it like?
Delicious.
Tasty. She said it's very tasty with her rice. Chow. I think you guys call it chow with some veggies, but it's totally vegan, guys. And it doesn't taste that oily as I thought, because I've seen so many outside and I thought it was super oily. We've ordered as well this kale with some mushrooms on top, as well as ginger, which I love. Yeah. Our veggie juice arrived as well, and this pot over here, which is a lot of tofu and veggies. Oh, I really like kai dai, which is kale, and there's mushrooms inside and so many other goodies. Oh yeah, from China with love. Enjoying our food here. Hello. Okay guys, so I'll show you a little bit more of this restaurant. We have just finished our dinner for today, and I've seen that some people enter the restaurant and they look like they're kind of Buddhist. As you can see over there, this deco here under the streets near the metro in SeaWorld, as it's named SeaWorld. It's kind of cute, you know, and there is even a definition of like dolphin dye, and wow, it's nice. It's like you are underwater and there are some windows. I liked it. Well, for the restaurant, I'll recommend you to go to the Dongmen branch better. It tastes much better. Nice. Back in Shenzhen once again. I've been living in the city since 2010. So guys, after our vegan dinner, kind of late lunch, I came to this town and ordered a very delicious fresh orange, not orange, squeeze. It's a mango, passion fruit and wheatgrass juice. Let's see how it comes to. Healthy and unique. Yeah. And because it's gonna be the year of the dog, there are so many dogs flying over everywhere. Yeah. Cheers to good life. We have fresh, natural, made in the moment juices.